I didn't see you there. It must be project time. Lumos. Luminosity. Light bulb. Please? Science is kind of like magic. It's really not. And Harry Potter is kind of like a scientist. Not really. Then how can I do this? No, you have the people that studies weekly doing the special effects for you. This is computer science. Still science. And computers. But science. Well, that's pretty good. Good job. Spoiled my fun. Which is great, I believe. How about we use science to pretend to be magic? I can work with this. Today we'll make a quarter look like it's levitating in the water. Ach, we're not levitating it. Ooh, magic! We're just bending light for the optical illusion. First, you'll need this stuff. First, tape the coin to the bottom of the bowl. Place the bowl on a table or counter. Have a friend step back until he can no longer see the coin at the bottom. Pour water into the bowl. Like I said, magic. No, science. As the water is poured in, it bends the light to make the quarter appear where you can't see it without the water. Bending light, science, simple. Besides, you can't do magic. Ooh. Seeing is believing. You are magic. Told you so. Oh, what is this? I will stick with science. Magic! Light flying! Bibbidi bobbidi boo! A chocolate cake! Levitating myself! Oh, levitating myself! Avada-kette! How does that go? Look at the boogie coming out! Look at the boogie! Excellent.